Hey guys, welcome to SMA-Trendz. Today we're going to be making homemade milk cake. It is so sweet, so good, and super easy to make. So let's get started. First, you're going to add some ghee into a pan and just let it sizzle for a while so it kind of looks like oil. Then you're going to add a bunch of milk, and yes, I mean a lot of milk. Isn't it how weird, like the milk turns into bubbles? Then you're going to add some milk powder and some sugar. Add a little extra sugar if you're like me. I love sweet. So now you're going to mix it and cook it in low flame. And after a while, it should be looking like this. Make sure it has no lumps. You do not want that in your sweet. Eventually, it's going to start coming together. At the beginning, it's going to be like a little slimy. But then after that, it should be coming together like it's getting hardened. As you can see, if we mix it, it's not leaving any on the pan. It's just coming together like kind of like a dough. After 10 minutes, you're going to take it out and put it into a greased tray or greased bowl. Just make sure you can still spread it around. It shouldn't be too hard. Then you're going to press it gently. And you're going to add some dry fruits or chopped nuts, your choice. Add any of them. And then you're just going to press it down. So you're going to let it rest for 1 hour, no more, no less. And then you're just going to cut it. You're going to cut it in half and then cut it into nice, thin rectangles, like so. So keep cutting it and then enjoy. So basically, it is super good, super sweet, it looks like jelly, and the aftertaste is caramel the first time you try it. It is really good and the perfect Diwali sweet. And you can add any of your favorite nuts or dry fruits on it, or you can add none at all. It's completely your choice. So make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel and enjoy this super delicious treat. Thanks for watching!